Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Odisha. I'm your host and problem solver Utpal, and today we'll be looking at lead code 27, that is remove element. Okay. First of all, we'll read through the program. It says given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val in the nums in place. In place means will not be creating any new list. Instead, we'll be editing the existing list that is given to us. The relative order of the elements may be changed. Okay. Since it is impossible to change the length of the array in some languages, we must instead have the results placed in the first part of the array nums. Okay. More formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements of the nums should hold the final result. It does not matter what you leave beyond the first k elements. Return the k after placing the final result in the first k slots of the nums. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying this input array in place. So basically, we will not be creating any new array. Okay. Okay. And let us look at the test cases. So it says that input is 3223, and we have to remove the 3. So all the 3s are removed. We have to return, like, we just need to remove the 3s from the nums, and basically we need not to create any new array. Okay. So let's get started the coding. So it says we have to remove the val from the nums. Okay. So what we need to do is while val in nums dot remove val. So basically, if val or the duplicate or the number that we are looking for is existing in the nums, then we'll just remove the val from the nums. So here we are not creating any new list. Instead, we are just removing the val if it is occurring multiple times. Okay. So let us run this code. Okay, so you can see that it got accepted. Let us submit this code. I hope it gets accepted. Okay, great. So you can see that we have achieved a faster runtime of 98.15%. And I hope you guys understood this problem. And please like and subscribe my video, and we will meet again next time. Thank you.